Oh, how is the food?
The food, that's so good. I like it.
Oh, actually, it was. Welcome again to our channel, and today we'll cook a fried rice with eggs. And in our core ingredients, we have the carrot, we have our basmati rice. Here we have the chicken. Okay, we have 4 eggs, and we have here green biber. Okay, and we have our potatoes. We have a meat, a beef. Okay, and we have also onions. This one. We have our oil. Okay, we have this one tomato and something to prepare a sauce. And here we have, I don't know, for coloring we call it manjano. And we have a black pepper. We have Maggi. We have here like a butter, and we have some kind of what, talchin. Okay, like a pepper. So that's our core ingredients, and we'll prepare the food. So let's go and see what will happen. Okay, so right now we have already cut into pieces our chicken like you see here. So also we have our beef into pieces, our onions, okay, our green biber like that, our potatoes like that. We see our rice, we have put some water here. We have our carrots into pieces, and we prepared this kind of sauce so that we can mayonnaise a bit these chickens and what. So we'll like mayonnaise a bit our chickens and beef. Okay, this was just kind of sauce. Okay, so our eggs like that. So our rice, we'll put some water, we'll cook it a bit. Also potatoes, we'll cook it a bit. And these carrots also, we cook it for some time. So that's okay, right now we have waited for some time, like 10 minutes. We see this is our marinated chicken after doing marination, okay, with our sauce. This is the beef, marinated one. Okay, we also cooked our potatoes for some time, like 5 minutes to 6 minutes. Also our carrots, we have cooked them a bit because we will fry it, so if it's cooked it's well. The rice, as you see here, we cooked it for like 10 minutes, so it's ready like there. We mixed our eggs, okay, very well. So right now we go to the kitchen and see what will go on. So welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's go to the kitchen. We're going to fry our eggs. So we put a bit oil, okay, and we have here our butter. So we put a bit of our butter, like you see. Okay, we put it well in our frying pan, and we're going to fry our eggs as you see here. Okay. So we fry our eggs. Just make sure you put an average fire, not too much, not too little. Okay. Our egg. We put the salt before. Don't forget to put a little salt. Okay. Okay. It shouldn't have to be that dry. Okay. So then you make it this way. And sometimes it turns to brown. Okay. So then after this, we put it in our plate. So I think our egg is ready. As you see here, our egg is ready. Okay, so right now we're going to fry our what? We're going to fry our beef. So as we know, put the oil. Okay, Also we put butter here. Okay, as you see here. Yeah, wait for the butter to. Okay, so right now, as we did before our marinated beef, so we fry. Okay, fry till it becomes brown. Okay, you can add some of the minor ingredients such as the berry. You can add it, though it's not that important as we already put it in what? In our sauce that we marinated this beef with. There is this, we call it Maggi, this one, for the taste. So you just fry it very well till it turns to brown. Yeah. Okay, we continue frying like for 5 minutes. Make sure the fire isn't that much. Put an average fire here. So we continue to fry our beef for 5 minutes as we said before. So this is now, our beef is ready after 5 minutes. Okay, it's well fried as you see here. So we pour it on our plate as we did for the eggs. Okay. Make sure just you put an average oil, don't put too much oil. Okay. You fry it. So our beef, as you see here, is very well fried. Now it's came a time for our chicken. Okay. So our frying pan has oil. We add it just a bit because we put some more things like onions. Okay. So we put also our butter as usual. Okay. So now it's time for our chicken. Yeah? We put our marinated chicken. Okay. Like this. Mix it thoroughly as we do. But right now, we also will add with our onions. As you see here, added the onions. We add also what? Green pepper. Okay, hoho. We call it hoho. Add it in our chicken here. So we fry with it till it turns brown. Maybe after 5 minutes. Okay. Just put a good size of fire. Okay. So we continue frying as we did for eggs and beef. Okay. That's it. Let's see. So we continue doing this for 5 minutes. So alright, now after 5 to 6 minutes, our chicken, okay, mixed with onions, together with hoho, okay, the green pepper, together with that color, I called it manjano at the beginning. So we put it, we fried for 5 to 6 minutes. Now it's ready. So we pour it on our plates as you see here. Okay, it looks nice, brown, that color. We pour it on plate. Just like this. So this is ready right now. We take out the fire. So right now, as you see, our things are ready. This is a fried chicken, the onions. This is our fried egg. This is the beef. This is the potatoes, the cooked one. This is the carrots, and this is the rice. So right now, we'll go to the last step. What's that last step? Just don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Let's go to the last step and finish up this bit. So now we'll mix all the things. We put a bit of oil. That's why we call the fried rice with the eggs and everything. So we put the little oil in our what? In our pan here. So we start putting the what? The rice. We put our rice. Okay. Put our rice. We mix it like we're doing this way. Okay, just make sure the fire is very small. Then after this one, you choose which one. Maybe I mix with eggs. That is this way. Okay. I mix it with some eggs, as you see. Those fried eggs. Make sure the rice is a cooked one. I cooked the rice before, so it's already cooked the rice. Okay, so I put now our beef, as you see here. Okay. And if we have the peas, okay, we could put it also. If you had a fish also, you can prepare your fish and mix it here also. Okay, so anything. So right now, at this step, I'm adding the chicken. Okay, the fried chicken, as you see here. Okay, time for the chicken. Already fried chicken. Okay, so here everything is already cooked. And make sure your pan is big enough so that, because the things are so many. So right now it's time for the carrots, as you see here. Adding my carrots. Also the carrots were already cut one. Okay. Okay. And then lastly I will add my potatoes. If I had the fish, okay, any kind of fish, I could have them, but unfortunately I don't have fish. So that's our last thing. You see how it looks? Beautiful, right? I know it's beautiful. Oh, she's beautiful. What can you say? So that's it. I mix it maybe for 5 minutes. Then I will leave it for 10 minutes. It will be okay. So okay, now our food is ready, as we see. So let's see. As you see here, our food now is ready to be served and be eaten. So yeah, that's really, you see how it is. Yeah, so now everything is ready. We serve it on the table and we eat with other things, as we have seen. So we put it this way. Yeah, everything now is ready, as you see. So how is the food?
Approved. That's so good. I like it.
Oh, afiyet olsun.
Thank you.